Myself, Manas Premchand Chaudhary, and I am the team leader of Hack Titans. Today we are here to present our solution for the Smart Indian Hackathon 2025. Our problem statement is to create a MAITRI, an AI assistant for the psychological and physical well-being. The astronauts they fall under the space technology theme and is a software-based solution. Then move to the next slide, purpose solution and how it is addresses problem. It is an offline AI assistant that looks after astronauts, the health and well-being. It uses just a simple webcam and microphone, so there is no need for any extra device or sensors. The system observes facial expression, tone of voice, and small physical sign like a blinking to check for fatigue. All of the information is combined using what we call a fusion engine, which gives a clear picture of how the astronaut is doing. But Maitri does not just detect problem, it also responds. It talks with astronauts in real time when it sees stress or fatigue, providing immediate support. And since space missions often have limited internet connectivity, the entire system runs fully offline as one simple application. Our innovations stand out in four ways. It combines both emotional and physical data, react immediately with supportive action, work fully offline and does not require any extra sensors. Then move to the next slide, technical approaches. Let's talk about the technology behind Maitri, the core application built with Python along with the Django framework for managing the backend. The interface is made with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and we use chat.js for clear dashboard visual. All the data is stored locally in an SQLite database, and the final application runs as a single easy to use file created with PyInstaller. For AI, we use frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. OpenCV and DLIB are used to study facial expression, while Librosa help us to analyze voice. For conversation, Vox handles speech to text, and PyTTSX3 manage text to speech all offline. The model are trained on dataset like FRA 2030 for facial expression or emotion, Revit is for speech to emotion, and UNBC MC Master for detecting pain. We mostly use CNN based module and some pretend tools to speed up development. Then move to the flowchart. The flowchart show how the system work. On the left, we first train our AI model using large dataset and test them until they perform. The dataset like FRE 2030, RAVDs, etc. and use to CNN module to train our AI model. So on the right is the live phase. Here when the astronauts run Maitri, the system captures real-time video and audio. These inputs are analyzed by our AI model and the decision engine evaluate the result. If help is needed, the system provides supportive feedback through speech and display information on the screen. Everything is securely stored in the local database. In short, the system that works fully offline on the astronaut computer. So next slide is feasibility and viability. From the technology side, we are using proven AI framework and offline tools, making it practical and reliable. Since it's only use a webcam and microphone, it's non-invasive and affordable. From the operational side, it provides immediate support right aboard the spacecraft, which is important because astronauts cannot always talk to Earth due to signal delay. The system is a modular, future ready, and can also be adapted to industry on Earth. Most Importantly, it helps astronauts stay healthier, make better decisions, and reduce risk, improving overall mission success. So the next slide is impact and benefits. The MAITRI can a huge impacts and benefits. For astronauts, the strengthens mental health, provide quick support, detect early sign for stress and fatigue, and improve mission safety. Beyond space, the technology can support people working in stressful job, provide healthcare monitoring for elderly, and reduce risk in critical industry. It also save cost by preventing errors, promotes new innovations in offline AI, and serve as a foundation for future long-term mission to the moon, Mars and beyond. And the last slide is research and reference. We working on the Maitri, we studied project like NASA Hira simulation and DLRS Kimon assistant. But unlike these which often focus on task management or need extra sensors, Maitri is a different. It proactive, non-invasive, use data for multiple source and run completely offline as a software. That makes it truly unique. Thank you for listening and we the Hack Titans.